Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Talk Easy American English. I'm Jessica, your teacher.
And I'm Jack, your learner and friend.
Today, we are going to learn something very useful: how to talk on the phone in English.
Oh, that's a good topic. Talking on the phone in English is hard for me.
Don't worry, Jack. Today, we'll make it easy, step by step. We'll learn how to start a phone call, continue the conversation, and end it politely.
Great. I'm ready, Jessica.
Okay, let's start. When you answer the phone, you can say, "Hello, this is Jessica. How can I help you?"
Hello, this is Jack. How can I help you?
Perfect. That's clear and polite. Now, sometimes if it's your friends calling, you can just say, "Hey, how are you?" Or, "Hi, what's up?"
So for formal calls, I say, "Hello, this is Jack." And for friends, I can say, "Hey, how are you?"
Exactly. Let's practice, listeners. Repeat after me. Hello, this is Jessica. Now you try saying it with your name. Good job. Sometimes when you don't know who is calling, you can ask politely, "May I know who's calling, please?"
May I know who's calling, please?
Excellent. You can also say, "Who am I speaking to?" But remember, that one sounds a little more formal.
Okay, so I can say, "May I know who's calling, please?" Or, "Who am I speaking to?"
Perfect. Let's practice together, listeners. Repeat after me. May I know who's calling, please? Wonderful. Now let's say you want to talk to someone specific. You can say, "May I speak to Mr. Ali, please?"
May I speak to Mr. Ali, please?
That's right. Or if it's more casual, like talking to a friend, you can just say, "Can I talk to Sarah?"
Can I talk to Sarah?
Nice and simple. Remember, may I is more polite and can I is more friendly.
Got it. May I equals polite. Can I equals friendly.
Perfect memory, Jack. Sometimes when you need a moment, you can say, "Please hold on a moment." Or, "Just a second, please."
Please hold on a moment. Just a second, please.
Very good. Listeners, now it's your turn. Can you repeat? Excellent. These small phrases make your English sound kind and polite. Sometimes the person you want to talk to isn't there. Then you can say, "Can I leave a message?"
Can I leave a message?
Great. And if you answer the phone, you can say, "Would you like to leave a message?"
Would you like to leave a message?
Perfect. Let's practice both together. Can I leave a message? Would you like to leave a message? Wonderful. Now let's talk about how to end the phone call. When you finish talking, always be polite. You can say, "It was nice talking to you," or "Thank you for calling."
It was nice talking to you. Thank you for calling.
Good. And then say goodbye. Goodbye, or have a nice day.
Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Excellent, Jack. Let's do one full phone call together. I'll be the caller. Ready?
Ready.
Ring, ring. Hello, this is Jessica. May I speak to Jack, please?
Speaking. How can I help you?
Hi, Jack. I just wanted to ask about the English class tomorrow.
Sure. The class starts at 10 a.m.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
That was wonderful, Jack.
Ah, thank you. That was fun and easier than I thought.
Okay, friends, let's review everything we learned today.
Yes, let's do a quick review.
To start a phone call, "Hello, this is Jane. How can I help you?"
To ask who is calling, may I know who's calling, please?
To speak to someone. May I speak to name, please? To ask someone to hold. Please hold on a moment. To take or leave a message. Can I leave a message? Or would you like to leave a message? To end a call. It was nice talking to you. Have a nice day.